All right, this is one of my last trip cleaning up after the hurricane Idalia. This is our mango tree. This is good news. Mango tree is up. It looks healthy. Water got up to the driveway. So today is just a day of cleaning up. I'm helping the crew to clean up. The house is safe, and also the kitchen. By the way, hello, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and just few minutes just to let you know that the kitchen of Meals for Longevity, our testing kitchen, is good. We are at the second floor, so no problem. We just had to clean up a little bit. Tomorrow we'll start back with our testing. I'll go to the fresh market tomorrow morning, see what's available after the hurricane. We're very close to the beach. Few other houses, they got some problem. Sand came to the yard. We got pretty lucky. This is all my work for today. Piling up, helping Ricky to recover. Ricky is our gardener. This is the water. The herbs are safe. We moved them in the garage. So that's the last piece to do. It's just to take out all the herbs. I'll show you where I am. Here some mushroom came out. These are not the mushrooms that we use for the soup. By the way, it's very important to organize your kitchen. Also during the hurricanes, the storms, it's always good to have some leftover available in the kitchen, in the freezer. And even if you lose power, you have some gas, you can always prepare something quick. Let's see what we got. I heard that a lot of turtle eggs are laying around. Let's go to check. It's a nice day. The water is finally low. Let's see what we see. The water came up to here. It's very quiet. Sometimes I come over here when I have to think about the Mediterranean diet, just to get into the mood and think about what's next. Testing are almost done. I would say the core is done. We're working on recipes to write them down, and soon we're gonna start publishing them on the website, mealsforlongevity.com. So my suggestion is subscribe on the newsletter, because I'm gonna send few free stuff around, a few recipes. I would say the month of October I should be able to start publishing and send some free stuff. So go on mealsforlongevity.com and subscribe to the newsletter so I can get your email. I can send you stuff. The water is still a little dark, but it's clearing up. So this is how it looks like over here. At the end over there is Turtle Beach. So not bad. It's scary though, but the good news is the Meals for Longevity kitchen is still active, and tomorrow we're gonna go back. Ciao from Chef Giuseppe.